The shop section has some very useful features that are designed to streamline your selling process. The shop area and the shop button are explained in full detail in our advanced video series, so in this lesson, we will focus only on the product tag. Let's dig in. The product tag feature allows you to showcase more information about your products and provide a seamless shopping experience. After adding the tag to your page, fill in with the product title, description, URL, and price. You have the option to set both an original price and a discounted one. You can also add up to 3 images and customize the tag's color. When readers click the product tag, an overlay appears, displaying product details and a Shop This Item button that links directly to your product page. Any images you add will also appear in the overlay for preview.